Now I'm visual.
Yes. Yeah, you are visible.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm asking, are you are also YouTuber? So do you want to upload video?
Yeah, I want to upload video
Okay,
because
so can we make two video?
yeah.
One video
And
10 to 12 and then 10 to 12. Okay.
okay, okay, okay. So
So
we are meeting for the first time.
it is for my channel. Next we will make for your channel. Okay.
Okay, and you record video?
Yeah, I have started. This time you are watching there. Minute is running.
Yeah,
My God, poor. Okay, I
yeah,
have started recording.
yeah. So we are meeting for the first time. So introduce yourself little bit.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, my name is Mansi Vishwakarma. I am from MP. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. If I talk about my education, I have completed graduation and this time I am also learning English. That's all about me.
Okay, wow, nice, great.
Please
So at
introduce your.
yeah, why not? So my name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri, and I live in village. Dura is village, and I have two kids. And if you talk about my qualification, I've complete my 12th class, and in 2014. So that's all. If I talk about my hobby, I is teaching. I like teaching, and sometimes getting knowledge and taking knowledge. If something,
Wow.
then I want to catch
Okay. So, which type of dress do you stitch?
like a blouse, suit, salwar. I stitch anything.
Okay, that's great. It's fantastic. And you have completed 12th. Okay. So,
Yeah.
do you want to study your accomplish?
No, this time I'm
Why?
a housewife because married I can't study.
Okay, but this time you are learning this language. Why?
Because I want to make environment for my kid. I have two kids, one daughter and one boy. My daughter
Okay,
is 8 year old, so that's why I want to make environment for my baby.
okay. So when did you start your English journey?
Uh, if you talk about my journey, I start my YouTube channel 1 year old and ago, but I speak learning. That time only this is my ninth session. I take ninth session.
Okay, you have taken ninth session. Okay,
Yeah.
so you are also upload video English conversation.
Yeah, this time I upload video English conversation, but after some before this time I upload daily use sentence related video.
So can you share with me this type of sentence do you upload so that I learn from you?
I send my video YouTube video. Then you search and you watch my old video. My old video is daily use sentence related,
Okay. Okay, then definitely I will search your channel.
and
Okay.
I watched your YouTube channel. Your channel is grow very fast, and
Yeah.
video is very fantastic.
Yeah. Thank you.
You make thumbnail very nice.
Yeah. Okay. So we are learning this language. Okay. So I want to teach you some new thing. Okay. And
Okay, why not?
if you if you know, so you can translate. Otherwise, we will make sentence. Okay.
Okay, okay.
ओके कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि अपन कहीं चले जाते हैं और अपन के साथ बुरा हो जाता है तो अपनी फैमिली बोलती है अच्छा होता अगर तुम वहां नहीं जाते So do you know how to make sentence?
No, but you tell me.
ओके, क्या होता अच्छा होता अगर तुम वहां नहीं जाते तो इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? इट वुड हैव बीन इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर इफ यू हैड इफ यू हैड नॉट गॉन देयर। अगेन आई एम सेइंग अगेन। ओके,
Yeah.
इट इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर इफ यू हैड गॉन देयर। इसमें क्या रहता है?
It would
इट
have.
वुड
It
इट
would
वुड
have.
या इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर लगाना कंपलसरी है, इफ लगाना
Yeah.
कंपलसरी, एंड जो वर्ब का जो होता है वो थर्ड फॉर्म होता है। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अच्छा होता यदि तुम इंग्लिश बोलती, इसको कैसे बनाएंगे? इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर
Being is
इफ
better.
यू
Yeah.
या इफ यू हैड स्पोकन इंग्लिश।
If you have spoken English. Yeah. Third
या
form.
या
One
एंड
one second. I write down.
या यू
Can I
कैन राइट। या
have been next better है ना?
it would have been better.
Better.
Yes.
If you
If you had
speak one this English.
subject had compulsory. Okay. If you had gone there and verb ka third form, then object.
You have gone there. Okay. It would have been
कई बार
better
क्या होता है?
if you have gone there. Like in third form.
Yes. कैसा होता या कई बार कैसा होता है कि अपन डॉक्टर के यहाँ जाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि मेरे को ये हो गया है, वो हो गया है, और तो डॉक्टर क्या बोलता है? अच्छा होता है यदि तुम अच्छा होता है यदि तुम दवाई लेते।
Yeah.
ओके, तो इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
I will try. Okay. It would have been better if you taken medicine.
या दैट्स ग्रेट।
Yeah. New something new now. I like it.
या because you know when I was learning this time, so I was forget again and again.
Oh, good night.
Yeah, so I was thinking if I will if we will talk each other, so it will be very difficult, you know.
Yeah. You know,
Yeah.
if I practice again and again, and you will speak very well because
Yes.
practice is more important.
Yes, and for example, this time we learn if we are learning we are learning if would have been better you had gone there। यदि अपन स्टोरी बना के रहते हैं ना कि अच्छा होता, जैसे कभी मोबाइल आप अपना गुम जाता है, अपना मोबाइल गुम जाता है, अपन मार्केट जाते हैं या फिर कहीं भीड़ में गए तो अपन सोचते हैं अच्छा होता यदि मैं वहां नहीं जाती तो मेरा मोबाइल नहीं घूमता। यदि अपन स्टोरी बनाएंगे तो अपन लॉन्ग टर्म तक याद कर सकते हैं।
Yeah, because na story is imagine your mind in your mind.
यस यस
So I make it should make a story.
यस एंड आई हैव अनदर सेकंड। क्या होता है संडे के दिन अपन कुछ भी काम नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है, तो संडे के दिन मम्मी बोलती है कि बेटा काम करो। अपन बोलते हैं कि मैं तो आज कुछ भी काम नहीं करूंगी, मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई बस करूंगी। तो मम्मी क्या बोलती है कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने से काम नहीं चलेगा। तो डू यू नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश?
No,
जस्ट स्टडिंग विल नॉट वर्क, जस्ट स्टडिंग विल नॉट वर्क।
just studying will not work. Okay,
क्या?
will not work है ना?
या एंड द सेकेंड एग्जांपल, कैन यू मेक, सिर्फ हिंदी बोलने से काम नहीं
One
चलेगा।
second, please. 1 second. One,
जस्ट
anyone call me, please. हाँ बोलो चाची. हाँ. Yeah. If you don't mind, 1 second. Anyone is calling me. Okay.
ओके
You don't mind.
ओके ओके।
मानवी.
यस,
सॉरी आपसे नहीं. इधर.
यू नो माय नेम इज सेम, दैट्स व्हाई।
या मानसी और मानवी से.
या
देखिए अंतर.
आई आई हैव बोथ नेम।
छात को रह दूँ. ओके.
You know, my school name is Mansi, my in-law family name is Manvi.
Wow. This is my daughter name Manvi.
Yeah. Okay.
So start this.
Yeah. Sometime, can I speak again this example?
Yeah, why not?
कई बार ऐसा होता है कि संडे के दिन अपन घर में फ्री रहते हैं, ठीक। मम्मी बोलती है बेटा घर पे हो, तुमको ये काम करना है। बोलते हो मम्मी मैं तो नहीं करूंगी, मैं तो आज सिर्फ पढ़ाई पढ़ाई करूंगी, आपका काम नहीं करवाऊंगी। तो उस टाइम पे मम्मी आपको चिल्लाती है कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने से काम नहीं चलेगा। तो इसको
Yes,
इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? जस्ट स्टडिंग विल
study
नॉट वर्क।
work.
या फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिंदी बोलने से काम नहीं चलेगा। जस्ट स्पीकिंग हिंदी विल नॉट वर्क।
Yeah. You know,
सिर्फ हंसने से काम नहीं चलेगा।
just laughing will not work.
या दैट्स ग्रेट।
Yeah. If you make sentence again and again, yeah, 2 या 3, then we easily use easily.
Yes, we can use easily. And you know, one day I was washing dishes. Okay, that time I was thinking that I learned 2 and 3 new sentence, but I forget. Then I went another room and I washed my diary. And firstly, I made short story about
Yeah.
that sentence. That's why if we will, if we will make short story about related any vocabulary and related any sentence, so
Yeah.
we cannot forget.
You know, sometime in this time I not have time free, so that's why I don't write anything. But now, if I have time, I write down.
Yes,
And
yes,
I have diary, and I something new I write down.
yeah. We should write every day new thing.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
you have daughter?
No, I don't have any
Happy.
children.
Wow, you are you don't.
Yeah.
This is my baby, and this is who are you?
When did you get married? When did you got married?
I married. I got married in 2015. 2015.
Okay, 2015. Okay.
That's why my baby is 8 year old.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, no problem.
And
Okay.
something. Any question?
No, this time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This do you want to do any job and this time you are learning English? So do you want to do any job in future?
No, I want to not any job, but I make environment for my daily for my baby. That's why I learning English, because English is very important for every child in future time. Everything is everyone speak English. You know that that time it this time every woman in it want to speak English, and uh, boys are boys are a little bit, but ladies are very increase English this time.
Yes,
So
this time.
in
Yeah.
future everyone speak English.
Yes, yes. Yes, because English is very necessary. We should learn this language and we should speak this language.
Yeah. And sarkari government school in not speak English, but if you talk about uh, any higher school, then they will speak English. Their environment is English.
Yeah, yeah. They speak English. Yes.
So
Good.
that's why I make environment for my kid at home.
Yeah. So you should practice every day. You know.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
this time I have a problem in my nose, so that's why I take a time a little bit for myself. That's why I uh, don't practice more and more.
Yeah. Yeah. So I want to suggest you if you don't mind. Okay. Time. I
What happened? Hello, you are not visible and not audible.
this time. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, huh, yeah. Okay, okay. You are visible and audible.